Hello, hello, hello. This is Lori Robertson, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to do a video on how to create what's called a pretty link or a URL redirect. And basically, what that is, it is a link that you can use to shorten up your website so it'll be easier for you to remember what it is and very, very easy for whoever it is that you are giving the link to get to whatever it is that you're trying to either sell them or give them something away for free. Okay, so this is, if you look here on the screen, this here is my HBA funnel builder back office. And if you have not already seen the other videos that I had about the funnel builder, I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can go back and take a look at those videos so you can see exactly what the Home Business Academy is and what the funnel builder that's inside of the Home Business Academy. And it's a very, very great, those are good videos that you can take a listen to or look at so that you can see if this is the type of business model that you may want to utilize in your business. But everybody needs a funnel, a lead capture page, something to get people's email address, phone number, or whatever it is that you need so that you can send them information about your product, your service, your multi-level marketing company, anything it is that you're trying to sell online. This is something that you definitely need in your business. Okay, so I want to create a pretty link or URL redirect for this particular lead capture page that I have, or this type of funnel that I have. And this is my crack the Instagram code. So what I want is I want to click on this button here because this is the link that I want them to go to. And when I click on the link, hold on, I'm trying to grab the actual link. Okay, copy. All right, so now I'm going to go back here and show you that what I want to do is I want to the first thing that you need to do is you need to get you a domain. Okay. Now inside of the funnel builder, the system gives you a domain. And you see how long this is? So what I did was I got me a custom domain, which is instead of having this lorirobertson.members.hbafunnelbuilder.com, I got me a custom domain that basically says workwithlorirobertson.com. So that's going to be my custom domain that I'm going to basically use with everything that I have inside the funnel builder because that's my actual domain, period. So if you can see up at the top here, back up here, it has my custom domain and then it has crack the Instagram code. Okay. So in order to create the URL or the redirect, once you get your domain name, you would come back here and then you would click on the URL redirect. Okay. So once you click on the redirect, as you can see, I have a few of these already here. Okay. So what you do is you click on add new redirect and then you would basically the old URL, right? You would put a backslash and whatever it is that you want to name it. So what I would put here is IG code. Okay. So that's what I would put there. And then the new URL is where I want to redirect this particular crack the code Instagram crack the code page. So I will put in the actual link that it goes to. So when people go to my website, they're only going to type in workwithlorirobertson.com/IG code, right? And it's going to take them to the actual page. So I'm going to hit save. And once I hit save, I am going to go. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. Maybe you can, but I'm going to type in www.workwithlorirobertson.com forward slash IG code. And it should take you right there. There you go. Do you see how simple that was instead of me? But if you take a look here at the top, you're going to see the long crack dash the dash Instagram dash code. But what I typed in was workwithlorirobertson.com forward slash IG code. And it's so simple and easy for me to remember. And it's going to be easy to remember for the person who you're giving the link to as well. So I hope that this was informative, and I hope this is something that you can utilize in your business. And if so, I'm going to, like I said before, put the link in the description below so that you can try it out for yourself. This is just one of the features of the HBA funnel builder, and I will be doing videos on all the rest. So I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.